Okie dokie, let's have a look at this one. Everything's nicely arranged here. But the thing to notice at the outset, I think, just standing back a step, is that you see it, there's a 3 common all the way through. So we can divide it out. So if we do spot that, then why not make our life slightly easier by dividing out? So we can divide out by 3 all the way through the equation. So let's do that then. Divide the first one by 3. Divide the second one by 3. And divide the third one by 3. And that will then equal 0, won't it? Because 0 divided by 3 is 3. So I've divided both sides by 3. 0 divided by 3 is 0. Yeah? So we've got that, which doesn't look too bad, does it? Pour a pair of brackets underneath. A lot easier than what it looked before. And let that equal 0. Draw 4 lines, 2 for the first, 2 for the second. Lines 1, 2, 3, 4. Doesn't take a moment to do. First line, first term. First line, first term. Going to be x squared. X times x. Last line, last term, plus 2. So you'd have 2 times 1. There's symmetry, so you don't have to put the reverse. There's also minus 2 times minus 1, isn't there? That's the 2 possibilities that give a product of 2 without worrying about order. So there we are. That's the last line, last term. So the next thing now in the jigsaw is middle lines, middle term. So that times x is the line second line, and that times x needs to give, that's line 3, yeah? That needs to give 3x. So what times what gives 3? It's plus, so I reckon it'll be there. 2 of those and 1 of those gives 3x, yeah? So we can put them in any way around because the order doesn't matter. So I'll put plus 2 plus 1. Then I'll just write it more tightly underneath and we can double check it now, can't we? So that's fairly straightforward, isn't it? These problems are getting easier now, aren't they? So this product then, x, let's just check it. X squared, yeah, that's fine. Here, and then you've got x is the second and 2x is the third. So that makes 3x, that's fine. Then the last one is going to be 2 times 1 is 2. So everything's fine. This product equals 0, so either that equals 0 when this equals 0, or this product equals 0 when this thing equals 0. First one, that tells you x is move the 2 to minus 2 through the equals. And this one, move the 1 across, flip the 1 to minus 1, and put an equals there. There we are. That should be the answer. So we could try it in here, or in here, because it's the same thing, scaled up by 3, and you put those in, you get the answer. Right, you'd have to be a bit careful because it's a minus 1. Okay, I'm fairly happy that should be the answer, but you could check it if you had time in a test or something, you had time at the end. You come back to a question like this, and you also have 5 minutes spare. Ooh, let's just do a quick check of this, make sure it's right. Yeah, so that's the approach to have. No point walking out of an exam early, especially if you need to double check things to maybe possibly improve your marks still further. Alright guys, that's number 10 done then. I think we'll do another 10 of these until we're really comfortable with quadratics and factorisation. Great.